You don't need a robe, you don't need a wand, and you definitely don't need to join a secret society. Most people spend years reading about magic before ever actually doing it. They get paralyzed by the complexity. Today we are breaking that cycle. I'm going to give you a specific 30-day roadmap to build a real ceremonial practice from scratch. Magic is the art of causing change in conformity with will, but you cannot direct the universe if you cannot direct your own thoughts. For the first 7 days, your only job is silence. 5 minutes a day, no phone, no music. Just sit and observe your thoughts without engaging them. If silence is too hard, try the single point meditation. Visualize a bright point of light in the center of your forehead. Hold it there. When it fades, bring it back. That's it. That's the muscle we are building. Once the mind is steady, it's time for fuel. You wouldn't try to drive a car with an empty tank. In week 2, we introduce the middle pillar. This is a method of activating the energy centers in your biofield. We are pulling the cosmic energy down and circulating it through the body. I have a full guided session on this channel that walks you through every breath and visualization. Do this every morning for 7 days. You will feel the difference in your vibration. Week 3 is where we claim our territory. Just like you clean your kitchen before you cook, you must clean your energetic space before you work. This is the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram, LBRP. It clears out stagnant energy and sets up a perimeter of protection around you. Many beginners skip this because it looks complicated. It's not. It's a 5-minute energetic shower. By the end of week 3, this should be as routine as brushing your teeth. The difference between screwing around and science is writing it down. Keep a magical diary. If you did the middle pillar and felt dizzy, write it down. If you did the LBRP and felt peace, write it down. Patterns will emerge in your notes that your brain would otherwise forget. This data is your most valuable book of shadows, and from the shadows you will give shape to light. You don't have to guess how to do these rituals. I have created step-by-step guides for both the middle pillar and the LBRP right here. Click this video to start week 2, and I'll see you in the astral.